Hey there, welcome back. Friends, in our last video, we were facing some kind of issue where we are able to fetch the information properly, but when we are trying to post some information and then fetching the information, we are getting the old list only. Somehow the information is not getting added into our list, and in order to fix this we need to navigate to our application and need to check how the list is laid out in our service layer. Now in here our list is what? Our list is a normal variable. It is a list of objects and it is initialized using this particular constructor. Now this way of handling thing is not good enough for our situation because this particular variable is dependent on objects, and when it comes to data should be a singleton thing, right? A data needs to have only one copy. When we connect with the database, in the database there would be only one copy which is shared among our application. So similarly we need to implement some kind of logic so that we can mimic the scenario which is presented by a database. So first of all we must get rid of this constructor and we must initialize this list right away, and the way is very simple. In between pair of parentheses, in here we will make use of something known as arrays dot as list. So if I make use of this particular class arrays, we have like couple of things in here. One of the thing is as list, and we can convert a array into a list. So let us do that. So in between this pair of parentheses, let us do couple of small little changes. Here we go. So this looks good to me and we don't need this particular constructor now. Alright, so this is good enough. Now the initialization part and the declaration part is done at all one place. So will this fix our issue? Let me stop the web server and let me rerun this application. The embedded web server will start in couple of seconds. Alright, let me navigate to Google Chrome and let me send in the request, and here is our result. Let me post a value. Here is the output. There is no error. Let me again get the list, and here we go. Again there is this issue. We are not able to see the element added into the list. Again, why it happened? It happened because our list is not a static list. There are like multiple copies of this particular list created based on the object in the background. As a result, in order to make only one copy for this class, we will mark this as a static and we will relaunch this application. Let me show you the console. This will take a couple of seconds. The embedded web server is up and running. Let me navigate to Postman and let me again show you the list. Here is the list. Let me post an element. Here is the sample data, and the header is already there. Using this history, it is very convenient to send in the request from the history. Let me click on send. Again, there is no error, and now if I get the list, we get the answer. We are able to post the element in our list. Amazing. So this is how we have fixed the issue, and in our next video we will see couple of more things, couple of more functionality implemented by us for our microservice. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.